Hello everyone. Today in this video lecture we are going to study about heart valves. As you know, heart is a visceral organ which is present in the thoracic cavity. So it needs to be protected. Now how it is protected? It contains certain valves. So there are three valves present outside the heart which covers the heart. Like we have the skin which protects the inner environment from the outer environment. Similarly, in the heart we have these valves which protect heart from other things, shocks and various kind of problems. So there are three layers which constitute this wall. The outermost layer is the pericardium. The middle layer is the myocardium. And the innermost layer is the endocardium. So, in the outermost we can find the pericardium. In the middle we can find the myocardium. And the innermost is the endocardium. Now this myocardium, it is further divided into two layers. If we will see, this myocardium is also divided. Now how it is divided? The outer pericardium is known as parietal pericardium. The outer pericardium is known as parietal pericardium, and the inner pericardium is known as visceral pericardium. And this visceral pericardium is also known as epicardium. Now, this parietal pericardium is further divided into two things, or we can say two layers. The first one is outer fibrous layer, and the inner one is serous layer. If we will see the parietal pericardium and this visceral pericardium, there is a space between parietal pericardium and visceral pericardium, and this space is known as pericardial space. And in this pericardial space we found the pericardial fluid. This pericardial fluid protects the heart from various shocks and other kinds of things. So this pericardial fluid is secreted by this serous layer. This serous layer contains certain endothelial cells. Which cells? Endothelial cells, which secrete a fluid here which is known as pericardial fluid. And this outer fibrous layer of parietal pericardium contains a lot of fibrous tissues which are connected to the diaphragm, and they protect heart from overstretching. Which thing? Overstretching. Which thing protect heart from overstretching? It is outer fibrous layer of parietal pericardium. And this visceral pericardium, it makes the first surface of the myocardium, or we can say it covers the myocardium. Now what is this myocardium? This myocardium contains certain cardiac cells. Which cells? Cardiac cells. These cardiac cells are responsible for pumping action, for pumping the blood throughout the heart. Now these cardiac cells or fibers, or we can say cardiac tissue, is present in the myocardium. Like it can be divided into contractile tissue of SA node, or we can say AV node, and the contractile tissue of the cardiac cell, or we can say which constitute the cardiac cell, and the bundle of his. So all these structures are present in the myocardium which are responsible for pumping. Now finally we have this endocardium, which is very a thin layer, and it contains only a single layer kind of a thing of endothelial cells. So this was all about heart valves. Hopefully you got it. Thanks.